Look deep into nature and then you will understand everything better. Wishing you a fresh and delightful morning to my dear students. Today I am gonna teach Term 2, Unit 1, poem Mother Nature, prepared and presented by Miss Swati. Before going into it, let's learn the hard words in the poem. Glossary: hospitality, taking good care of the guest and visitors. Stranger, unknown people. Refreshing, renewing or restart. Virtue, high moral behavior. Culture, the habits and customs of a particular society. Fortune, luck. Here is the poem for you. Let me read the poem lines. Listen carefully. Mother Nature. Look at the hospitality of Mother Nature. It gives everything to all creature. There are no strangers under the tree. Enjoy the shadows and fruits for free. There is a home for bird and refreshing place for the herd. This virtue is our culture. Follow it in your future. Always welcome with smiling face. Wins the hearts in life's race. Fortune knocks with its best those who cares for their guest. What is nature? All the plants, animals, birds, etc. in the universe and all the things that happen in it that are not made or caused by people is called nature. Look at the hospitality of Mother Nature. It gives everything to all creature. In this poem, the poet expresses the hospitable nature of Mother Nature through his beautiful poem. It gives everything to all creature. Mother Nature distributes her resources equally to all living beings without any discrimination. There are no strangers under the tree. Enjoy the shadows and fruits for free. The gifts of Mother Nature are equal to all. A good example for this is the tree. It offers its shadow to all living beings and it doesn't show any partiality. Everyone can eat the fruit of the tree. The tree provides all resources equally to all living things without any discrimination. There is a home for bird and refreshing place for the herd. Herd means a group of animals. Yes, the tree gives shadow, fruits to all creatures at free of cost. What else the tree is giving? We all have a home to live in. Similarly, which is the habitat of birds? Yes, it is the trees. Birds nest in trees. Sweet singing birds take refuge in their nests in the trees in the evening. Also, trees are the refreshing place for the herd. It is the resting place for various creatures like sheep, cows, dogs, insects, etc. As a whole, trees provide equal resources for all without any variation. Move on to the next stanza. So before going to the next stanza, could you able to identify the rhyming words in the first stanza? Shall we? Yes. Nature, creature. Tree, free. Bird, herd. Move on to the next stanza. This virtue is our culture. Follow it in your future. There are many good qualities that we need to learn from trees. Just as trees, we also should try to treat and respect everyone equally. We must learn these lofty good qualities from the trees. We must not only learn but also pass on that quality to our future generations. Always welcome with smiling face wins the hearts in life's race. In the course of life, definitely there will be challenges, sufferings, pleasures, victory, defeat, etc. No matter what challenges we will come across in life, but we should face those challenges with smiling face. If we face the challenges with smiling face, we can get the love of many good-hearted people. Fortune knocks with its best those who cares for their guest. If a person gets the love of many good people in his lifetime, surely luck will knock at his door. Our culture is to welcome and treat those who depend on us. As students, you should imitate such high moral behavior at this young age. If such a characteristic flourishes in all, a new society free of inequalities will emerge in the world. Love abounds. Our country will be a paradise earth, free from strife and conflict. Will you be children? Hope you will. So here I have brought one more information for you, the benefits of tree. This you can go through it. Now let's go through the book back exercise. Write the rhyming words: nature, tree, bird, face, culture, west. Try to find out the answer. Fill in the blanks. So 5 questions are there. Go through the explanation once again and find out the answer. Well, that is all I have for today. Let me conclude my today's class. Thank you, children. Bye from Swati. Keep doing well.